Hello everyone. If you guys are dreaming to join the Indian Defence Forces as a commissioned officer, be it in an Army, Air Force or the Navy, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel SSB Gentlemen. In today's video, we will be discussing what all are the probable questions and how you will be answering them in the interview session of the SSB with respect to your family background. Now, if in general the interviewer asks you that tell me about your family, then obviously you will be mentioning everything in a holistic way. Like you have to touch every point of your family members, for example their work profile, their educational qualifications, their likes, dislikes and all that. But if he or she asks you about any particular question, then you have to answer it accordingly. So first of all, let's talk about the family. Mention that you live in a nuclear or a joint family, how many members are there in your family, and what kind of relationship do you share with each of them. If not each of them, then majorly you should know everything in detail about your mother, father and your siblings, because these are the persons which influence your personality in a great way, right? But if anyone else in your family, for example maybe your grandfather, grandmother or aunt, uncle, anyone who has a major impact on your personality or with whom you share a very special bond, you can mention him or her as well. Okay, so let's discuss that in what order you will be describing the things. First of all, just tell their name, of course, name, then comes their occupation, whatever the work profile is there. Okay, then comes their educational qualification. This is the very general or the brief things you have to tell. Then comes a bit comprehensive part, that comes the strengths and weaknesses or the likes and dislikes. Now this question has to be answered in both ways. For example, you have to tell 5 likes and 5 dislikes in their personality, whatever they are. Okay, like what do you like in your father and what do you don't like, right? So these things you will be mentioning, not blindly. Again, every quality has to be mentioned with a backing example, that why you don't like. For example, you don't like your father's quality of eating too much of carbs and not working out. Okay, so you can mention these things. Don't just blindly say that he's not honest. Why he's not honest, or what instance made you think that he's not honest, or any such property is there, you have to mention that. Same goes for you as well. like uh, like what your father thinks of you, what qualities, or you can say what are the likes and dislikes on your part from his side, right? You have to tell that as well. This comes the likes and dislikes part. Then comes the part that how their personality has influenced you, that what you have learned from them. You have to mention this as well. That how they inspire you on day to day basis, on from minor things to the major things. Okay, and how you contribute to their lives. So bonding or these relationships are two ways, so obviously you have to answer these questions in this way only. Don't just say that I do these things for them. You have to answer that what they do for you as well, right? So what contributions they have made in your life or in your personality, and the same what on day to day basis you help out for them, right? So this comes your contributions. Then there can be some situational questions as well. For example, whom do you like the most in the family? For example, is it the mother or the father? Whom would you like to approach for any X reason? So keep your answer dynamic, I would like to say. If like interviewer would have asked me that with whom you are more close, your father or your mother, so I would have answered it in a dynamic way, that like for my emotional issues I consult my father because I'm more close to him by heart. But if any suggestion regarding to my work or my career, I would say I would obviously consult my mother because she is much more planned. So it is just an example. Okay, you can analyze your family accordingly and write all the answers what fits best with respect to your. One more thing can be asked, that what are the similarities and the contrast, like how do you are similar to your father, or what is totally different in you both. So this can also be asked. So I would say कि all these questions are very general. ठीक है, everyone knows it, I would say, but it's always better to prepare it beforehand. Just sit someday and discuss all these questions with your family. You will get the authentic and the best answers possible. And obviously, when for every question, I would say make at least 3 to 5 points. Okay, and for every question, for example, for likes you should be having 5 points, for dislikes 5 points, for similarities, for contrast, all these things. So better framing of the questions help you better answering in the interview. Okay, so these are some of the questions that I found are important. There would be much more queries, so let me know in the comment section if I miss out something. Okay, so about this video, a gist of this video will be posted on my Instagram profile as well for you to like refer in future. In short, details will be there. Follow me on my Instagram page with the same name, @SSB Gentleman. I also post on daily basis exercises related to VAT, TAT, some MCQs as well. Daily updates are there, and the major information are always there in the posts. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Questions are always welcomed, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to push the bell button so that you get notified whenever the next video comes. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.